Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a handy trick that allows you to listen to YouTube videos on your mobile phone with the screen turned off. This can be particularly useful when you want to conserve battery life or multitask while listening to your favorite music, podcasts or educational contents. Let's get started. Now I take a video and show you how the default playing mode works. Due to community guidelines and other restrictions, I am unable to play other YouTubers' videos on my channel. However, to provide an example, I will use one of my previous video from my YouTube channel. By default, when you press the home button or turn off the screen, YouTube stops playing the video. However, with this trick, we can continue playing the video even when the screen is off. Now, let's move on to the most exciting part of this video. In this segment, I will demonstrate how to achieve this functionality by making some simple adjustments. To begin, go to the setting menu on your mobile device. You can usually find the settings app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Next, scroll down through the settings menu until you find the apps or applications option. Tap on it to proceed. Now scroll down and select your browser. In this example, I will choose Chrome as my browser. Select the notification and make it as unblocked. Now go back and select the browser app. Make it the default browser. Now go back to the app menu again and scroll down until you find the YouTube option at the bottom of the screen and select it. When you press the YouTube option, continue scrolling down until you locate the Set as Default menu. Within this menu, find the Open Supported Links option and change it to Always Ask. That's it. Now go back to the home screen and open your browser. Navigate to the official YouTube website. Before proceeding to the YouTube site, make sure to adjust the browser screen to the desktop mode. This can be done by tapping on the options menu that is represented by three dots or lines in the top right corner of the browser window. Then select desktop mode or request desktop site. Once you type YouTube in the browser's address bar and hit enter, you will be prompted to select either the YouTube app or the browser to open YouTube. This is the setting we adjusted little while ago by going into the settings menu and changing the option Supported Links option to Always Ask. This setting allows you to choose whether to open YouTube links using the YouTube app or the browser each time you encounter them. Now select the browser option and choose the Always option. This will ensure that YouTube links are always open using the browser, not the app. After selecting this option, you will be directed to the YouTube website. Now Now go ahead and search for your desired YouTube video on the YouTube website. Once you find the video, play it. In this demonstration, I will select one of my own videos to show you how to play it continuously in the background even if you press the home button or turn off the screen by pressing the power button. While playing the video, if you press the home button, you might notice that the video stops and you are taken back to the home screen as earlier. However, don't worry, you can easily resume playback by following these steps. Now swipe down from the top of your screen to access the notification bar. In the notification bar, look for the notification related to the video you had opened. Tap on that notification and it will bring you back to the YouTube video, allowing you to continue watching from where you left off. By accessing the video through the notification, you can bypass the default behavior of the YouTube app and continue playing the video even after pressing the home button. Now you can enjoy the seamless experience of continuously playing YouTube videos and listening to them even when your screen is in sleep mode. This feature allows you to make the most of your favorite content while conserving battery life for multitasking on your mobile device. Sit back and relax and enjoy the uninterrupted playback of YouTube videos with your screen off. This method offers the advantage of saving battery life since the screen remains off during playback. Additionally, adjusting the video quality to the lowest resolution, such as 144 pixel, can help conserve data usage also. By opting for lower resolutions, you can minimize the amount of data consumed while still being able to enjoy the audio content of the YouTube videos. This combination of screen off mode and low resolution playback is an efficient way to maximize both battery and data usage on your mobile device. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you again for watching and I will see you in the next videos.